Hey, what's up everyone? And in this video, I'm gonna go over how to create your first Java program. Now this is gonna be really quick. We're not gonna go over any of the specifics. We just want to make sure that your computer is set up um, properly. Now in the previous video, I went over how to install JDK, Eclipse, and how to set up your system variables. Now, once you have Eclipse open, what you're going to want to do is go to where it says File, and then go to New Java Project. Okay? Now, you can pretty much name it whatever you want. I'm going to just call it Demo, all caps. Okay? Alright, now that we have our file project, now we're going to want to right click on it, and then we're going to want to add a class. Okay? And then the class, we could just call it, we could call it starter, or you could call it whatever you want, really. Now remember, we're just going to write a very simple program. Pretty much just, if you want, you can copy and paste the code on there. It should be on the description, or just follow along. I would recommend following along just so you kind of get used to writing code. So this is going to be written for you. You're going to want to start writing code inside of the brackets. Now there's this open bracket, this close bracket. We're going to start writing something inside. Okay? Now go ahead and type in public static void main. Okay? Make sure everything is exactly the way it is on the screen. Okay? Okay, so remember, public static void main, that's lowercase m by the way, then open parentheses, capital S, T-R-I-N-G, open bracket, close bracket, then space, A-R-G-S, close parentheses, open bracket, and then once you hit enter, it should add the closing bracket on there. Okay. Now, please don't get confused by all this stuff, all this weird code. Pretty much, just go ahead and just copy everything. Then type in system.out.println. Okay. And then once you type in the first open bracket, it should create the closing bracket for you as well. Same thing with the parentheses. So go ahead and add a parentheses on there. Okay. I'm sorry, not parentheses, quotes. Go ahead and add the quotes. And then type in something like, yo, what up? And then at the end, just add a semicolon. Okay. Now, just real quick, we have this public class starter, okay, then we have a public static void main string open bracket close bracket args, and then finally we have this system.out.println yo what up. Okay, once you have all of that written down, go ahead and click on where it says run, and then finally click on where it says okay. Okay, if you see this on the bottom of the window, that means that everything is set up perfectly. Excellent. If it's if nothing's going on, then I would just recommend going back to my previous video and following the steps again. It might be that you set up the environment variables incorrectly, but again, if this is showing up, then everything's perfect. And we're gonna start writing code in the well, I guess we already started writing code on this video, but we're gonna start actually understanding what we wrote in this video on my next video. So thanks again, thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. Bye.